Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Third and last puzzle, not in today's newspaper on Monday. Monday is November the 6th, 2023. Told you earlier we have no extra puzzles, no additional. In today's newspaper, no, it's the additional of Thursday, November the 2nd, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku, so it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, yeah. And this one will be number, I believe, 7403. Yeah, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 21 printed digits. A lot. It's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or have 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 21. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Nope. Dual boxes. Triple boxes then. Nope. Triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. These contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes. The next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. The L shapes. Then the following shape. Do we have more L shapes? No, only one L shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape then? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes? Yes. This one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Only 2 T shapes. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the S. Rotate this to the right side. Yeah. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Only one S construction. Do we have more shapes? Yeah, this one. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. 4 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Only one? Yeah, only one we have here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be here. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here. Oh, and that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then. 1. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, and that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means, wait, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. 1 and a 5. This box can be 2. This box can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 5. Alright. This box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this Z or S construction. Should be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. This one is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 5. But it can't be a 5 anymore. We have a 5 in the same area. Should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this S construction for number 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Well. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be a 4. We have a 4 in the same area. Yeah, so should be a 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and 3 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 3. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. This box can be 4. This box can be 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. These 3 boxes. So out of 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then that means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. And this box can be a 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Well, we have a double 5 here. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 5. Well, these 3 boxes. So out of 5 can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I've marked this box with 1 or 3. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. Is connected also with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.